Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you my recipe for stir-fried shrimp with honey lemon. Here are the ingredients: green scallions, onion and lemon, green and red bell pepper, soy sauce and oyster sauce, garlic, ginger powder, honey, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, squeeze the juice of 1 whole lemon. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix all ingredients thoroughly. Pour over clean shrimp. Ensure the shrimp are coated and let them marinate for 30 minutes. While marinating, slice the medium onion into cubes. Then the red bell peppers. And green bell peppers. Then slice the green scallions. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in a pan. Stir-fry the onions, peppers, and scallions for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the stir-fried vegetables from the pan. Next, stir-fry the marinated shrimp for about 4 minutes. Then mix in the stir-fried vegetables. Pour a small amount of the sauce into the pan and let it simmer for 2 minutes. You can now enjoy your stir-fried shrimp with honey lemon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.